All across the United Kingdom, something magical has been happening.
Our wildlife has been busy.
Birds, reptiles and animals have been building their nests and growing their families.
But now they need our help more than ever.
The UK enforced lockdown has changed normal patterns of life for wildlife too.
Some may have become less accustomed to people.
Making them more sensitive to our presence.
Some birds will have nested in unusual areas this year, which are closer to our places of work and play.
So when you are out visiting our lakes and rivers,
Our heaths and meadows,
Our forests and wildlife reserves.
Our beaches and estuaries.
please take extra care not to disturb the wildlife.
you can do this by
Looking out for birds and animals, listening for their calls and keeping your distance from them.
staying on footpaths,
Reading and respecting signage and avoiding roped off areas.
And always keep your dog alongside you.